Are you searching for the best mobile phone flex cables? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best mobile phone flex cables in 2025, which save you time and money. Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2, it's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 5. Headphone Audio Jack Hold Switch Flex Ribbon Cable. Headphone Audio Jack Hold Switch Flex Ribbon Cable for iPod Classic 6th Gen 80GB 120GB 7th Thin 160GB and iPod 5th Video 30GB, 100% new, already assembled, includes the assembly which mounts the hold switch to the back cover, as seen in the picture. Each headphone jack is inspected prior to shipment and is to be 100% working. Repair/replacing old, broken, damaged or faulty headphone jack.